traders, welcome to yet another video. This is a Monday morning and we know the market's just opened a few hours back. So what I'll be doing is I'll be going back to my traditional analyzing of the market. In the past I've done two videos dealing with forex patterns for those that are interested and want to elevate their trading. So today I'm going to be doing a breakdown of the Nasdaq, or not really a breakdown but a top-down analysis of the Nasdaq market. So one thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to clear all my drawings. So I'm going to start with the naked chart. Okay, for those that don't know, I'll start my analysis of a daily chart. As you can see, I have a full view of what I want to see on the market. I'm going to reset it and then I'm going to zoom out just a little bit to see what happens. Okay, so I'm gonna start my analysis from the 27th of October 2023. Okay, so that's where my analysis gonna run going forward, because I don't need all the data. I get it in forex. The past predicts the future, but in this case I'm just gonna be starting from there. So one thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna mark out my highs and my lows. This is my highest point and this is my lowest point. Okay, for me I'm just gonna put on areas where the market has turned. Okay, so here I have a little one, here one support, here I have a little resistance. Here on the higher time frames I tend to take the wicks instead of the bodies, so that's how you'll find me right here. I took this on the wicks, and you can see once I take these wicks it supports those. I will later alter my lines in order to fit well. So here I go on this high again. Look at this high comes to support this low right here. So that's what I do. I'm just looking for swing highs and swing lows. Okay, so there's another one. Okay, so basically this is all that I'm doing when I'm looking for my highs and lows, just swing highs and swing lows. As you can see, here's another one. We can mark it out, but we just don't want a lot of lines on our chart. Okay, so there we go. That looks good. All you want is basically you just want a neat chart. So on the higher time frame, all I'm looking for is a direction. So I'm gonna take this. I don't know why I put this line here. I should take it a little back. There we go. So I'm gonna take it from the swing low. I'm gonna just drag it along, looking for points where the market is. Later along, difficult. So I'm gonna remove it from this low. I'm gonna take it to another one, to the next swing low, and boom! Instantly you can see this one makes more sense. I'm gonna pull down my support line, I'm gonna clone it, and then I'm gonna have a resistance line. Boom, there we go. So the market has been in an uptrend for a little while, and then it came down, say a correction, whatever it may be. So I'm gonna do the same thing here. I'm gonna take my line, I'm gonna take this low here, I'm gonna pull it back. Now I'm not sure. One thing is I can do this. Let's take it from this low, but then if I have to clone it, will it make sense on the resistance side? Let's have a look. Okay, it somehow does make sense. We'll take this as a fake out, and then let's drop down to our 4 hour chart, 4 hour time frame. Reset the chart and then just zoom out a little bit just to see if what we did makes sense. Okay, if need be we can just fix our lines so that they make more sense. Closer to the chart. So once you're analyzing, guys, you just need to understand what is happening on the chart. So if you're confused, then you just have to start your analysis. If I'm sorry, but you need to understand what's happening on the charts. So here we go, we're on a 4 hour. There was a time I traded off the 4 hour, but now I mainly focus on the 1 hours and the 15 minutes to take my entries. The bigger time frames I use mainly just for direction. So what's happening on the 4 hours, I'm gonna mark out my areas of importance. So there we go. The reason I'm using a box for this is, I'll explain it now. Let me just quickly fix this. The reason I'm using a box for this is, one, I'm on a different time frame. Those lines on the higher time frame show a more strong zone. On the box it shows that I'm on a different time level. Time frame, sorry. So as you can see, I have a gap. So if I had to put a line there, I'll still touch it, but I just want my differences to be seen. Like you see, if I had to put this way, you see I'll get a support there, breakout, retest, is now resistance, and breakout, and then it became support. Okay, but I don't want to use it now. I just want to use the box to be more clean. So with this, I'm gonna mark my areas which I feel are important on the market. This one just broke, so let's look for the next one. Here's another one that the market might react to. Here we have this one. So if you're gonna swing this, then these are areas that you need to look at. So what do I see for Nasdaq? I basically see an uptrend in Nasdaq. Is look, this was an impulse move, and this was a correction, and then from here what I see is the market is broken out, so we can be looking at a new trend for the Nasdaq market, which could be something like in the terms of this, from this. So we could be looking at something like this, but I'm not sure if the market has finalized its trend on this. So the market could push up a little, going down, go up, just play around like this until it reaches this point right here. So all you need to keep a look at is I know the market is going to come here because the dollar is in a bullish run right now. And last week we had FOMC and NFP, and they pushed the market bearish by a whole lot. So this is what I'm expecting the Nasdaq to be doing now, to be going bullish from here. So guys, keep an eye out on this. This is my analysis on Nasdaq, and I'm gonna keep you guys posted. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys soon again. Thanks for watching.